say your word na. Ito. Hi guys. So we're again here at the airport. Where are you going? Where are you going this time? Bangkok? You're going to Bangkok? So we're headed to Bangkok today. I'm just gonna be watching a concert actually. Pero dahil... Hi guys! Pero dahil medyo okay naman yung price ng ticket, sinama ko na si mami niya at si baby Adina for a short 5-day stay in Bangkok. Ayun, sana napanood yung mga unang labas ko na video, yung Mongolia and Kazakhstan, and there's a lot more. So if you can, titignan namin actually ngayon kung masusurvive namin yung travel. Nang may kasamang bata, wala kaming stroller this time, and ngayon sobrang likot niya na. Sobrang likot-likot muna, anak. Nakakatawa, no? So, stay tuned. Bye! Say bye!
Bye-bye!
Hi! So, we're now on our flight. Dito pa lang, hirap na kami kasi yeah, we're eating. Hindi kami makasabay ng kain kasi this kid has to be taken care of. Kasi ang likot-likot niyan. Ang likot-likot mo, anak. Hindi ka ma-permit, hindi ka mo saan siya nakaupo. Tapos andyan yung mga pagkain namin. So, one at a time lang ang kain. Kasi grabe na ang likot. Anak, dati naman hindi ka ganyang kalikot. Oh, say hi guys. You say hi guys. Hi guys. Wow. Wow. Okay, so what will you say? Hi guys. You say hi guys. You say hi guys. Oh, hey guys, good morning. So we are on our third day here in Bangkok. Actually, kahapon, it's the concert day, but now is our day tour here in Bangkok. So we commissioned someone to do our tour today. So naka-private tour kami ngayon, which we are paying 2,500 baht only for 8 hours. And I think we're gonna be riding a whole van. So it's a whole Bangkok tour. Sa pagkakaalam ko, pupunta kami sa floating market, Maeklong Railway. I forgot the name. Yung iba yung mga temple. So samahan nyo lang kami today. Explore natin yung day tour ng Bangkok, and I hope you guys will like, share, and subscribe. If you can, please hit the notification bell para updated din kayo sa mga bagong videos ko, na I hope napapanood nyo rin yung iba kong video. Adina, what will you say to them?
Hi guys!
Say hi guys!
Say hi guys!
Alright, let's go! I forgot to mention, it's actually all about checking kung kaya namin tong batang to ng walang stroller. Sobrang likot na kasi yan. Oh.
Tita Bin.
Yeah. We video?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Ho is gonna drive for us today.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you?
You say hi. All right, there you go. So we have a big van. Wow. So this is kind of big for. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. This is great.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So just really the three of us having this big van. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, nice. No, this is nice, right? Oh. So I've seen a lot of vans like this in some videos, but being here right now, just the three of us, really, it's really special. Yeah. So first stop namin, dinala kami dito ni Mr. Ao sa isang area kung saan may mga gold, may mga gems. Yeah. So, yeah. I don't think I'd be interested kasi nga, kung alam nyo lang, di ba? Kung naka-follow talaga kayo, recently na nakawan ako ng ginto, kaya medyo nawawalan ako ng gana sa gold. And we're just gonna roam around. Yeah. Yeah, so it's going to take like more than 1.5 1 hour from the main city going to the floating market. So medyo mahaba-habang biyahe to. Right? Hi guys! Here, problema, tulog si Adina. Okay, we go there. Hey, thank you so much. So, we met a couple of Filipinos over here na medyo nakipag-argue sa mga taga dito. I'll explain further. So, yan. Ito muna kami sa... Okay, so ito yung nangyayari. Hopefully marinig niyo ako kahit maingay yung motor. So, mura yung van namin, which is 2,500. This is my second time coming here. But the problem is, ngayon, pagdating namin dito, 1 hour of boat ride is at 2,000 baht, which is what? 4,000 pesos ito. Ang mahal. Ngayon, pagdating namin dito, may mga Pilipino doon na may nag-approach and gusto nila makipagsabay sa amin para mas makamura. However, hindi pinapayagan ng mga Thai na mag-join yung mga ibang grupo kahit Pilipino kami. So, kanina merong tension na nangyari doon kasi parang they feel like they're being scammed. Sobrang mahal. So, ayun, hindi kami nakapagsama. Separate pa rin ang bayad. Siyempre, more profit yun sa kanila. Sa kanila ko hiwalay kami. But, yeah, it's just ang mahal lang. Pero we're just gonna enjoy the moment. Marami kang mabibili dito like coconut, beer, tapos marami rin ditong marijuana as in. Yeah. So, yeah, there you go. Hey, sawadee ka. Alright, also it's been mentioned here na itong floating market. So obviously, since it's a floating market, marami kang mabibilan dito. It's been said na twice ko na pumunta dito na medyo mahal daw talaga dito. So, try mo makipag-negotiate. Pag nakakuha ka ng price, do it like 50% off agad. So, ganun daw ang style. One thing you have to try when you're here is their coconut ice cream. Meron ditong coconut ice cream. Medyo mahal nga lang. I think that's the one we need to buy. Tapos ang dami talagang beer. Like, beer is everywhere. Ito nakakatawa. So, medyo mahal nga to. So, kailangan naming sulitin yung experience. Look! Look at the kid! Wow! Oh. She's sleeping! Alright, so here's the ice cream. Oh. Yeah. So, I'll take a... Ang sarap. Ang sarap pa rin talaga niya. Hindi siya overpowering na matamis talaga. Para lang siyang malamig na buko. May onting-onting saktong-saktong tamis na para sa aking diabetes. Wow! Now, pros and cons ng nag-private tour kami ngayon compare sa joiner before. Okay, so ngayon naka-private tour kami. 2,500 lang yung binayad namin dun sa van, right? The problem is, pag pumunta ka dito, you have to pay a separate amount para dito, which is another 2,000 baht, which is expensive. Maganda naman na naka-private tour ka, naka-private car ka kasi komportable ka, lahat magagawa mo. Ang problema nga lang ito, babayaran mo ng another extra, not unlike sumama ka sa mga joiner, yung mga nakukuha sa Klook. Doon kasi alam ko less than 2,000 pesos lang per head. Kasama na yung transpo, And then yung pagsakay dito, hindi mo na kailangang bayaran. Included na yun sa babayaran mo. So, malaki rin yung kinakatipid pag naka-group tour ka. So, you know, the comfortability today, it comes with the price. It really does. Kasi ngayon, feeling ko, halos ito pa lang yung una naming napupuntahan, marami na kaming gagastusin, feeling ko. Ayun, gising na yung baby ko. Oo, gising na. Nasa ulirat ka na ba? Oh. Laki ng mukha. Ah! Say hi. Hi. Bagong gising lang eh. Anak, gising ka kasi medyo mahal ang binayaran natin dito. Kailangan ma-experience mo to. Oh! I remember this place. We ate here before. Yeah. Ito yung main area ng floating market. So, I'll show you guys. Yan. A lot of traffic as well. Yeah. Yun lang nga, pag nandito ka, you also have to take note na sobrang mausok dahil yung kada bangka nagre-release ng mga usok every time they turn it off and then turn it on. Grabe, napaka mausok. Lalo kanina, yung tabi-tabi kaming halos traffic. Hanggang ngayon actually, maamoy na maamoy. So, careful lang sa mga may hika, sa mga may baby. Dala kayo ng mask or pamaypay or anything na makakapagpatanggal ng usok. Next up, we're here in
This one nice.
Damno and Sky. So, para daw siyang parang plain. Okay. Plain museum, something like that. And for foreigners, you have to pay 300 baht.
For you?
Dalawa lang binayaran namin, libre na si Adina. Tapos you get to order, this is like a cafe. You order your coffee cold or hot from there and then you serve na daw doon. So, tignan natin kung ano meron. Ooh! So it's like a park. See? Inclusive sa ticket, yung merong train ride dito. It's like a park. Tapos merong free dessert sa cafe. Dito na rin kami daw magla-lunch. So I'll show you guys. Hi, sawadika. Mas, this is a good recreational place for kids. As you can see, meron yung mga inflatable stuff and then yan. Ah. Wow!
Take a picture, Mama. Smile! Okay, gano'n.
So, this is the cafe.
Wow! Say wow! Wow!
Coffee and then yung food included na talaga sa entrance. But I did pay for a few more sushis. Yeah, there you go. 2. Alright. Thank you. Ano, yung sushi. Ooh. 10 more pieces. And of course, hindi nyo nakikita ngayon kung paano ko hinabol-habol tong batan to. Grabe, ang hirap-hirap. Yung pagbubuhatin mo na siya kasi tumatakbo, nagpapabigat, ayaw niya magpabuhat. Pakakulit. Pero okay lang, ganun talaga. Mas maigi ng makulit kesa sa may sakit. Diba? What are you looking? Where are you looking at? May tinitignan siya. Ayun, ano yun? Oh, we're gonna play outside. We're gonna play, okay? Alright, so after eating, before kami lumabas, merong free train ride dito. Kasama na rin doon sa 300 baht lang. So, sold na. Pumunta ka na dito, entrance 300. Kasama food, drinks, tapos merong train ride. So, ayun na yung ano, yung train. I'll let you see it. Oh, there's the train. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go. Oh, di na. Uy, I must say that itong Damnoen Sky is very affordable and talagang something na kailangan yung puntahan. Ang daming pwedeng magawa. For 300 baht, andun yung entrance, andun yung free coffee, free food, free train ride. Tapos, ang dami talagang pwedeng gawin sa loob. So, for me, this is something na you should put in your bucket list, especially kung may dala kayong mga bata. Kasi yung lugar is talagang pambata. But actually, pamatanda pwede din eh. It's a good park. It's like a mini Disneyland. And it's a good place to really relax. So ayan, battery full na naman si Adina. Ayan. Ang good thing naman na medyo spacious ang aming sinasakyan. She can just lay around. Ay, Diyos ko. Parang palagi siyang full battery. Mamaya papalobatin lang natin to. Alam mo yung feeling ko ngayon to si Adina. Parang sobrang hyper niya talaga. Oh. Pero cute naman.
Are you saying hi? Hi guys.
Are you saying hi?
Say hi. Hi guys. Are you saying hi? Hi guys.
Hi! Sa kanya, hi guys. Sa kanya, hi. Alright, so we're now here in the railway market. So, we're just gonna chill around here. Try to see. Oh, nauntog naman yung baby ko. Yeah. So the train is coming in about 10 minutes. We'll take a look. So, ayan. Masarap din mamili dito actually. Medyo mura din ang prices. Kailangan mo lang talaga makipaghagel. So we're just gonna look for a place kung saan kami. Oh, sorry. Pwede tumambay. Sorry. So the train is about to be here in 5 minutes. Ang style dito, kailangan mo makahanap ng place bago dumaan yung train. So bumili na lang kami muna ng buko para payagan kami pumasok dito sa area nila. Which hindi naman talaga to public place. And yan, like everyone is buying stuff. Tapos pasok sila dito. So pag dumaan yung train mamaya, etong lahat ng to, yan yung mga tolda, papasok nila. Oh, you see the train, anak. See the train.
Is it yummy?
What does it taste like?
Yeah.
You like it? You like the coconut?
You like it? Wow, is it yummy?
Wow. Oh. Oh.
Wow, is it yummy?
皆様の安全と快適な環境のため、ルールを守ってくださいますようお願いいたします。また、列車が市場を通過している間や移動中に、まだお車に電話でからクラスなので移動か。失礼いたします。そんな理由ならば、ご通車に出の空気車両誕生分。次mientras de servicio de montados permanezcan en el
go out now to take their own photo. So that's nice. That is nice. Yun lang medyo mahirap ngayon. Dahil may kasama kaming baby. Mainit yun. Mahirap. So hindi kami talaga pwede magtagal. Balik na rin kami agad. Grabe. So we're gonna head back to Bangkok now. Grabe paglabas namin, para kaming nakakuha ng sariwang hangin. Sobrang init doon kasi ganitong oras. Sikip, daming tao. Pero definitely worth the experience. Mahirap lang talaga pag may kasamang bata. Ay. Alright, after an hour travel from the train, we're now here in Wat Po. I've been here before. Pupunta sana kami dapat sa Grand Palace, pero dahil sarado na siya, it's now about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So pupunta kami ngayon dito sa Wat Po. Nandito yung reclining Buddha. Ganda dito. Entrance is 300 baht. So bawal naka-shorts, bawal naka-sleeveless. So ang bayad dito cash only. Here in Wat Po. Yeah, so medyo marami-rami to, malaki-laki tong area na to. So we're now here. We're going over here. Alam ko number 10 is the reclining Buddha. So dito yung reclining Buddha. Yeah. But before we go there, marami tayong pupuntahan na magandang spot. So dito sa Wat Po, as usual, maraming temples. And then itong mga ganito, yung mga nasa likod, as far as I can remember, it's called the Chedi. Para daw tong ginawa as libingan. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but this is definitely called the Chedi. I forgot its relevance, but it's somehow related to parang libingan nga. Yan. So marami pa tayong makikitang ganyan. Pero dito sa Wat Po, ang pinaka-highlight ng napuntahan ko dati dito really is the reclining Buddha. Ayun, yun yung pupuntahan natin mamaya. So reclining Buddha. Let's go to the reclining Buddha. Hi guys. Hi. Alright, check lang natin tong si baby. In fairness naman, the whole time na nasa labas kami, she's been behaving okay. Kailangan mo lang talaga siyang buhatin. So kami naman, nagpapalit-palit kami ng buhat. So hindi naman kami talaga nahihirapan, right? And thank you for doing so. Huh? Wait naman ang baby ko. Yeah, I think I could be right because yeah, may mga pangalan nga ng tao dito. So parang yeah, na ano nga siya, para siyang libingan. So ayan. Look at that. So I remember this is actually the birth. This is where they've given the birth of Thai massage. Dito nang galing yung Thai massage. It used to be like a university back in the days. So dito nang galing ang Thai massage. Yeah. Tapos dito tinuturo dati yung mga Thai, dito nagtuturo yung mga Thais. And then nag-aaral sila kung saan sa mga scriptures pa, sa mga bato-bato.
Oo.
Kaya talagang this is the oldest university. This is even older than Bangkok. Mas matanda siya sa Bangkok. Tapos, ayun. Tama nga. This is like an old university. Wow. Oh, see? Yeah. And from time to time, you could see monks. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sample ng mga old scriptures nila dito. So parang mga ganito. Look at that. Ganyan sila mag-aaral dati dito. Really good, right? Marami pa yan hanggang doon. Yan, so dito medyo mas marami ng shady. Ito yung area na parang Instagram worthy kasi ang dami nagpipicture talaga dito. Hirap lang kami magpicture kasi nga pawis na kami. Ang init-init. Tapos may maliit kaming baby. No? Okay, so dito andito na kami sa banda sa may reclining Buddha. Yan. Pagpasok ko dito, as far as I can remember, you will be given a green plastic eco bag. Eco bag pala. That's where you put your shoes. Kasi you can't wear your shoes inside. So ayun. Look at that. Wow. You wanna swim? So it says here. Okay, noted. So we're now in. This is the reclining Buddha. This is the good. Where's the Buddha?
Where's the Buddha?
Where's the Buddha?
Wow, say hi. Is that wow?
Wow, kanina pa siya wow ng wow. It is very disappointing to hear. Disappointing to hear. Meron akong Pilipino narinig kanina. Sabi niya, ito na ba yung 300 baht? Nagreklamo pa. Diyos ko. But here, look at the magic. Wow. That's just awesome. Yung bronze na nilalagyan ng coin isa-isa, iisa-isahin mo yan. Magpapapalit ka doon and then your wish will come true. Parang ganun. So you put one by one. So we're heading now back to the van. So definitely a place to go itong Wat Po. If you would only know the relevance ng place na to, like the birth of Thai massage, and then the oldest university. This is older than Bangkok as well. You will enjoy this. Hindi lang siya pang Instagram. Meron din siya talagang historical relevance, which is really good. Ang init nga lang ngayon. It's always hot here in Thailand. What do you expect? Look at how the van looks like at night. Okay, so it's what, 6:30? Oh, look at that. Oh, full blast. 6:31 p.m. and Mr. Ao has really been awesome today. So yeah, we'll if you guys want to do a private tour here in Bangkok and also in Pattaya, I'll send you Mr. Ao's contact information. So just look, it was a really pleasant trip today. Just the three of us sitting in a. How many people can sit here?
The maximum 11, sir.
Maximum 11.
Yeah.
And we're just at three. Three of us today, like 2.5 almost. Oh, like madam na madam. Oh, see? Say goodbye and thank you to Mr. Ao. Wait, Mr. Ao. Hey,
Hello.
thank you so much for the. we'll definitely refer you over and thank you. God bless you, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
Kapun Kap.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Welcome to Thailand.
Yeah, and we'll see you again.
Yeah,
We'll see
sir.
you again.
I hope so.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys.